For today's vlog, for today's video, it's going to be very nostalgic because I'll be playing in Camp Aguinaldo Golf Course. So this is where I played, or parang this used to be my Philippine Navy during the pandemic when I went back to playing golf. So playing this round with friends, si Karlo, he's my batchmate from, shout out kay Karlo. He's my batchmate in school. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe what you think would be a good video or good content for the next videos. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the fairways. So these are the rates now for Aguinaldo. Look at 1.5. Twilight. May twilight na ulit. Alright, playing Camp Aguinaldo. Hole number 1, 319 yards. Dogleg right. Hindi pala sa dogleg right. You need to fade the golf ball kasi may puno here. So again, playing with friends si Karlo and si Dr. Angel from ang group namin na Shankers. Aking caddy, si Angelo. Yeah, shout out sa aking caddy. Galingan mo mag-video ha. Tsaka kapatulong ako magbasa ng greens kay Angelo. Okay, wish us good luck. Landed left of the fairway, 55 yards to the flag. Ang bigay mo dito, Angelo, kaliwa kanan?
Kanan yan.
Right to left yan?
Right to left.
Okay. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Mga tirang 40. Mga gano'n kalis sa kanan? Isang grip?
Mga isang grip lang. Shot.
Summers. Ganda. Go! Baba! Go! Teach me! I will teach you! Okay.
Birdie.
Birdie, early birdie.
Shoot din. Magaling na student, kitang-kita rin. Good putt daw.
Thank you. Save.
Lakas. Practice na lang. Okay, that was a good start. Hole number 1, currently I am 1 under. So hole number 2 is par 3. May tubig sa harap. Playing 145 yards. So I'm in between clubs. Either pitching wedge or 9. Okay, Karlo showing us the way. Kaliwa lang. Safe the safe. Tama na! Uy! Nanakot pa. Hindi nag-draw. Bunker out. Tama na. Nahirap niya. Ganda! Go! I-shoot mo na! Shoot mo na! Ay! Sayang! Good shot, Doc. Ganda. Hindi pa na-shoot. Ganda. Ganda ng binigsakan. Dead sa bunker. So right to left. Isang pin sa kanan. Ano yan? Regular na 6? O may firm yan?
Hindi. Bababayan sa dulo.
So dyan lang din dalhin?
Dito lang din dalhin.
Sige. Birdie si Doc. Pa-video na Doc. Birdie!
Go birdie!
Birdie!
Birdie! Wow!
Okay, for sale!
Birdie!
Nice birdie!
Early birds. Ang ganda ng linya mo, sir. That's you.
Good putt.
Nice one. Yung putter.
Lakas. Spot.
Mali, dinagdagan ko ng konting-konti. Akala ko lalaylay. Malakas din yung putt ko. Good birdie, Doc!
Thanks.
Okay, may proof. Okay. Binibenta ko pala 200. Per stroke pala yan. Okay, so currently I am even par. Mabilis pa rin yung greens, mahirap. Well, hole number 2 is really challenging here sa Aguinaldo if I remember correctly. So this is playing hole number 3. Talk about narrow fairways. So it's a par 5, 514 yards. Look at that. Parang sobrang narrow. Perfect for if you can draw the golf ball. Dog leg left. Sakto yung fade. Tama na.
Okay.
Beauty! Ganda, Doc. The birdie confidence. Good shot. Yeah. Nakakamiss din pala ang Aguinaldo. So, again, it's like playing in Navy, pero it's shorter. Ay, hindi, sorry. It's par 6 to 8, so less par 5s. They have more par 3s, pero it's not technically easier. Kasi the par 3s are all, especially sa back 9, it's around 200 yards each. So very nostalgic because I used to play here almost every day when they used to offer nung pandemic the unlimited golf. So very narrow fairways. So it's like shooting darts also. So challenging. So let's see. Currently even par. Layo. Karlo still has 300 yards to the flag. Slightly better. I need to take my medicine. Punch out here with a 7-iron. Siguro mga around. Before the water it's 170. So anything between that.
Nice.
Karlo with 230 yards to the flag. Naku, nag-fade lang.
Medyo matalbog na yan.
170 to the flag. Subukan ko i-draw yung bola kasi may puno here. Siguro I'll hit an 8-iron. Try to draw the golf ball right to left. Subok lang. So,
Nice shot.
tama na. Ay! Ang delikado. Malinaw na malinaw. 3 points. Sumabit sa tubig. Ito may retriever. Left with 66 yards to the flag. So mga tirang 50. Right to left ba yan, Jello?
Right to left yan.
Hitting around 55 yards with my 60-degree wedge. Tama na! Oh, lakas! Parang 60 yung ginawa ko. Bite! Subok to go up and down for a double bogey. 10 yards to the flag. Mabilis 60.
Di gumulong.
Umagat masyado. 1 cup left to right. Sa loob lang yan.
Loob lang itong tubig.
Okay.
Spot.
Out
Hi,
pala
sir.
sa ating mga
Shoutouts
kadi. Tolits ba? Tolits pare?
Tolits.
Tolits at saka
Aga.
Aga mo lang. Aga gising. Aga gising. At saka si Angelo. Ayan. Okay. Bad start. I mean, very good start lang. Sayang sa second and third hole. So currently 2 over. Maaga pa naman. So let's see. Hole number 4. It's another par 5. 539 yards. So this is a dogleg right. Requires a fade. So tingnan natin since nagna-natural fade naman yung driver. Might as well.
Nice shot.
Okay, Mr. Ballesteros going for the green with his driver. Sumabit pa. masyadong gustong go for the green. Okay. Landed on the fairway middle. Pero no way of going at it kasi because of the tree. So laying up lang 100 yards. Hopefully, dito sa right of the water.
Ba?
Laglag?
Laglag.
Mabot?
Nice, no?
Okay. Unfortunately, I hit that too well. Nag-shoot ulit ako sa tubig. So 160 yards to the flag. Hitting an 8 iron.
Shot.
Sobra. Left right yan? Talaga ba? Hindi ba kanan yan? Diyan? Okay. So left to right to go up and down for a bogey. Dapat yata hindi ko na ipabite. Let's try to stop the bleeding. Okay, hole number 5. Tama na ang donation ng bola. Puro penalty. Okay, hole number 5, par 4, 351 yards. Dog leg left. Ay! Uy, kanan. Ganda. Ganda ng draw. Beauty. Nice shot, Doc. Pangit, diretso. Pangit, fairway. Good shot. Okay, need to take my medicine again. Luigi, dun sa may cart. Tirang mga 40. Go! Ay, bitin. Yun, abot. Buti lang umabot. Members bounce. 77 yards to the flag. If I remember correctly, malaki to sa left. So I need to give it mga 1 pin left to right. So tirang mga 65, 60. Kabig.
Nice shot.
Nakabig. Diyan ko dadalhin? Okay. Bilis. Parang Spider-Man. Grabe naman yan. Kaliwa?
Diretso lang tayo.
Diretso na. Sige, kaya mo na Karlo. Hole number 6, 379 yards. Dogleg right again. Very bad start. Ganda ng drone ni Doc.
Pero talaga yung palo.
Ganda ng draw. Ganda ng fade. Good shot, brother.
Shot.
Pumasok. 96 yards, hitting a 60-degree wedge. Nice shot.
Sumabit.
Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan? Jello. Isang cup.
Isang grip.
Isang grip sa kanan. Mabilis ano?
Mabilis.
Hindi ganun kabilis.
Huh?
Hole number 7, forced layup, 252. dog leg left. Ganda. Beauty. Island green. Playing 110 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Go! Lakas eh.
Pwede yung 50, ano?
Pwede 50 kasi...
Okay, 13. Firm pa yun, ano? Hindi ganun kalaki bigay mo, no?
Hindi, maliit lang yan.
Halos dun sa dumi na itim na yun.
Yes sir.
Hindi bumalik. No?
Hindi.
Uy!
Grabe, no?
That's good.
Ayaw ibigay.
Good putt. Alright, so finally a par. Okay, grabe. Hole number 8. Playing 140 yards. Either a pitching wedge or a 9-iron. Depende sa hangin. Walang hangin. Go! Safe mo lang.
Lag. Ay, kaliwa lang.
Go! Go! Okay, good shot, Doc. Okay. Come on, Luigi. Diyan ang bagsak. Okay. Okay, hindi nga nun kabilis dito sa Aguinaldo. Okay, left to right.
Left to right. Abot mo. Nice.
Ano ko napasin kasi kanina. Dapat wala regular lang na.
Makakagat kasi, no?
Ito parang di siya gano'ng kabilis. Bumali. That's good, brother. Ay, hindi pala. Joke lang. Hati-hati pa. Firm. Paakyat eh, diba?
Pantay lang siya.
Uy!
Nice par.
Okay, hole number 9, that was a good up and down for par for hole number 8. Hole number 9, 352 yards. Straight up hole. Pero nandito sa kaliwa ang EDSA. Sana hindi makabig. Ay, laki ng curve turn. Left with 110 yards to the flag. Finally, on the fairway. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Kanan to ng konti, no?
Sana.
Nice shot.
Medyo na behind. 17 paces. Yung itim, no? Hindi yung light brown sa kaliwa. Kundi sa 7. Parang plus 2.
Set plus 1 lang.
Plus 1 lang.
Hindi naman gamit. Tutulo lang naman ito pagod.
Tsaka firm.
Go birdie. Go birdie. Go! Biglang di umabot sa dulo. Kulang ng konti. Konting-konti lang.
Start of the second 9. Back 9. Par 5. 503 yards. Very narrow fairway. So we are now a 5-some with the president of Shankers, si Billy, at si PJ. PJ pa or JP? Okay, let's see. Subukan natin bumawi. Currently 8 over.
Nice shot. Safe.
Ay, sumabit. Ganda. Kick left. Kick left. Yun! Bumalik! Fairway! Good shot. Draw! Cart putt. Ay! Bumalik! Okay. Very terrible tee shot. Sumabit sa puno. I was going to draw the ball. Magdodraw naman pero tumama sa puno kagad. Hitting a 3-wood.
Yung, sinapa na naman ang unggoy.
Aga ng draw.
Aga lang ng draw.
I will go for it. 260 yards with a 3-wood. I'm 20 yards, a little short lang, sayang. 20 yards to the flag. Right to left. Kalahating grip, tama dyan, no? Kalahating grip. Kalahating putter pala. Okay, this is to go up and down for a par.
Uy. Lakas. Sa kalating butas.
It's mabilis, ano?
Hoy! Wala. Mabilis ang green. Kasi nag-ano siya.
Isa't kalahating butas for par. Come on, Luigi, to stay 8 over. Karlo. Ganda ng pace. Ganda ng pace. Oh, pakimark, pakimark. Hindi pa binigay. Ganda ng pace ng pat.
Go! Bye-bye.
Yan ang tama.
Ganda! Ay! Bumali sa dulo, no? Gaya mo ako yung kadi na pinalinya ko. Siya rin magpapat na ito mamaya eh. Para shoot na. Tapos ako bibigyan niya ng tip.
Baliktad na.
Hindi rin bumali, ano?
Hindi gaano bumali.
Dapat babali yun.
Medyo kabig ng ulit.
Bumabali dun.
Warm up. Ikaw na lang yung warm up.
Maganda makahuli one ngayon bro, sobra-sobra yung witness. Di ba? Parang kasalan eh.
Dami mo papakainin nga lang.
Bago pa ito.
Nice spot! Alright, another bogey. Hole number 11, par 3. 167 yards. Ganda! Ayan ay hole in one na sinasabi mo, Billy! Ayan na! Ay, sayang. Good shot.
Lumiko.
Madaming witness.
Ano? Ay, nag-turn lang sa dulo. Ay, too much din. Hinangin din, Doc. Oh. I went over. Left to right. Okay, try to nip it. Mga 10 yards. Ang lakas pa rin. Okay, Karlo, for par. Gaba!
Naano yun ng...
Paakyat na, no?
Pababay.
Pababa ba yan?
Oo, patay.
Come on. Come on.
Oh!
Yan! Pakimark din, pakimark. Uy, hindi bumali. Malakas lang.
Nice spot. Safe par.
Okay na. Hole number 12, playing 135 yards. Either 50 or pitching wedge. Turn pa, hulin mo nga.
Ewan mo.
Reception.
Ewan.
Ay, sobra.
Sobra no.
Oo, last 3 points sa butas. Sayang, ganda ng linya, brother. Papasalan na sana kita eh.
Wait, baby.
Uy, sumabit pa.
Tumama.
Welcome to Aguinaldo.
3 under.
Kick left.
Yun pa rin yan.
Wag,
Okay,
wag.
okay. Stop.
Kick right. 3 under din. Ay, maliwa. Kaliwa rin. Landed a little right. Oh, 60. Right of the green. 20 yards to the flag. Diretso na. Okay, medyo mabagal pa akin. Okay, par. Joke lang naman yung sabi ko Billy kanina na mark nyo ha. Pwede ko na ba kunin to? Eh, thank you, thank you. Baka karma is ano eh. Karma is real. No. Oh. Adok, take mo na. Baka hindi nyo ibigay talaga sa akin mamaya eh. Yeah. Okay, very long par 3, hole number 13. Layo. Pero it's slightly with the wind. Front pin ba yung pula? Antay mo, sizing ko. Uy, kanan. Balik, balik, balik. Ay, sayang. Sayang, hindi nakapost yung video, hindi nakuha yung tira ko. So I hit a 5 iron, just a little short of the green. Sayang, ganda ng tama. I thought I had a chance. Yan. That's my golf ball din. Yan. Ganda ng draw. Huwag ka lang mas timey. Go! Go! Okay, landed a little short. Right to left. Maliit lang to. Mga kalahating grip, ano?
Dahon ng kaliwa lang ng dahon.
Ah, ganun kalaki pa rin. Ah, sa bagay, side hill pala, no?
Side hill pa.
Okay. Bilis.
Oh!
Ay, nakahina.
Mahina lang.
Mas mabagal na paakyat. This par putt. Ay, pa pala maglinya. That's good, Doc. Okay, for par. Stay 9 over.
Nice par.
Oh, ganda ng basa ni Jello. Hole number 14, 323 yard, par 4, forced layup. I don't remember how far until before the water dapat yung layup. Let's see. Tanong natin si Kati. Parang short naman ng 50. Ay, baka sumobra na. Baka mabola yung 50 eh. Left with 168 yards to the flag. Hitting an 8 iron.
Nice show.
Sarap.
Ay, ang hihina, Luigi. Ay, Bite, 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 bite. Ganda, go! Sayang. Mabagal nga oh. Good, good. Good investment. Good putt, Doc. Uy, di bumali. Okay, hole number 15, playing 160 yards. Pero very against the wind. Pero, let's see. Tingnan mo, 7-6. Lakas ng hangin eh. Ah, 7-8 lang pala. Tingnan natin yung lapad na. Stinger eh.
Mababay.
Hindi natin makikita.
Walang ganda yung hangin doon.
Wala yun.
May nakaharap.
Hindi, yun ang natangay din eh.
Shot!
Fade pa. Ay, inangin oh. Inangin. Tingnan mo.
Hindi, okay na yan. Ah!
Inangin talaga, no? Inangin pa rin sa taas.
Nangit.
Okay, landed a little short. Ito, left to right? Right to left? Diretso na. Ay, sama ng sipa. Nag-boost bigla. May tinalbugan. Okay, Billy for par. Tumatalon. Buti lang shoot. Oh. Nice spot. Good investment nga, Doc ah. First time ko lang nakita yung putting mo, pero ang ganda ah. Sulit.
Inaano mo lang ako sa putter ko.
Nagbibenta kasi ako ng tailor-made. Change caddy, change caddy. Hole 16 par 3 180. With the
With the wind ah.
180.
Wow.
Wow.
Bro.
Pinakanan ako eh.
Bulldozer. Ay.
Pinakanan ko kasi.
Kaya nandito ako eh.
Change caddy, change caddy.
Kasalanan ni Tolit.
Hindi mo narinig si Tolit, sabi it's a prank.
Oh, rinig namin lahat. Pinakanan ka ng pinakanan.
Nice shot.
Tolit kasi.
Kasalanan ni Tolit.
Bilis. Ganda ng pagka-drone na yan ah.
Patong bro, patong green.
Bagong green yan. Ah, lilipat nila yung green dyan? Dagang green. Ngayon ang hindi nag-draw. Ay, ay, ay.
Si Tolits kasi pinakanan ka eh.
Safe. Si Tolits kasi. 63 yards to the flag. Left to right. Left to right yan ano, Jello?
That's right.
Tirang mga 50. Tirang 50.
Shoot mo! Wow!
Thank you. Give na. Thank you. Okay, give na daw. Sayang, di pa na shoot. Ah, legit na pang give. Legit na gimme. Thank you. Okay. Pasok. Uy! Di pa binigay.
Pasok!
Maganda nga yung roll niya, yung end over end, ha? Hindi lang shoot. Linya. Sumpa ni Billy yun eh, kaya hindi na shoot. Karma! Ang bilis ng karma! Ang bilis ng karma!
Away na ako dun.
Na to, hole number 17. It's closer now kasi may repair. Magkakaroon pala ng papalitan na to ng kalsada. So, ayan. I think hindi na masyado in play yung tubig because of this. Bleed lang, right?
Shirt pa rin.
Good shot. Big bounce. Patong. Ay, sayang. Uy, kick right, kick right. Okay. I just landed a little short. Subok ng Chipinski. Diretso na.
Baliktad yung ano.
Hindi ko makuha yung speed talaga ngayon. Hindi ko makuha yung speed pa dito. Mid ko. Pakimark, Bailey. Okay na, brother. Kaliwa? O hati-hati?
Kalahating bola lang.
Kalahating bola. Paakyat ano? Lahating bola. Paakyat ano? 4 paces. Come on for par. Parang na-push ko, no?
Push pat na lang.
Last hole. 451 yards. Dogleg right. Tingnan natin if my natural fade now will fade properly. Fade, 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 fade.
Ayaw mo.
Nice shot. Ganda.
Ay, tumama pa.
Puro puno tayo. Punch draw ulit. Take my medicine. 7 iron. 150. Tingnan natin kung kukulot. Ganun. $28 yards to go up and down for bogey.
Uy, sama.
Ramdam ko na nag-spin pero
Ang pangit ng kick.
kasama. Ayaw talaga. Pasok. Good putt. It's the person, it's the player, not the equipment.
Sabi nga lang, it's not
Good
about
putt,
the
brother.
pen. It's about the penmanship.
Good putt, man. Kaya nga eh. Kaliwa, no? Fight din! San Page.
Uy! Biglang umiiwas sa butas.
Oo nga eh. Yay! Good round, good round. Good round, good round, good round. Doc.
Kami meron.
Good luck.
Trap tayo.
Nice shot.